Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tashima if you are new here. So today is hair wash day, of course. So I've already washed my hair. I wasn't going to film this part. I had plans on doing a whole nother video today, but I said why not just come on here and show you guys how I straighten my hair. I love my curls, y'all. Get into these. Oh my god, they look so good. Yeah, I cut my hair, it's going on 2 years, I think 2 years ago. Just big chopped it all off. It was what it was at that point, but y'all, it's growing back so nice. Like, I do see like a little bit of heat damage, if you can see right here, but I guess that's the price of wearing my hair straight throughout the entire winter. But it'll be okay. It's just hair. It's just hair. I keep telling myself it's just hair. I don't wear it curly. I do want to try to get into like wearing curly styles once it gets like a little bit longer. It's drying right now because I washed it a while ago, so it's drying right now and it hasn't shrank much, but there's no product in it either, so I know if I let it dry like this, it's gonna look crazy after a while. So yeah, let me get into straightening my hair, blow drying and straightening my hair, and then I got other stuff to do today. I got another video to film, so yeah, I love it. I love it so much. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry and flat iron my hair and show you guys that process, which shouldn't take me that long. So stay tuned for the end result. So y'all, this is the final result. It turned out really well. I could go in with the hot comb just around my edges, but I'm trying to avoid more heat damage, so I'm just gonna wrap my hair tonight, and it's gonna lay down anyway. It's gonna be flat in the morning, so it's all good. But if you guys enjoy this type of content, remember to like this video, comment down below, and let me know that you do like this video so I can keep making this hair content. I've noticed that the hair videos on my channel tend to do fairly well, and I just want to thank you guys so much. I also noticed that I've been getting some new subscribers lately, and I couldn't be more happy. So thank y'all for deciding to join the family. But until next time, friends, bye.